Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Sweatcoin account so you can start earning rewards just by walking. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Sweatcoin. Tap Install and wait for the app to download. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Get Started on the welcome screen. Next, you'll need to create your account. You can sign up using your email address, Apple ID, or Google account. Choose your preferred option, follow the prompts, and if you use email, make sure to verify it by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. After that, Sweatcoin will ask for permissions to access your motion and fitness data. Tap Allow so the app can track your steps. It'll also request location access. Choose Allow while using the app or Allow Always for accurate step counting. Once that's done, your Sweatcoin account will be created instantly. You'll see your dashboard showing your daily step count and earn Sweatcoins. Now you're ready to start walking, earning, and exploring the marketplace for real rewards. Subscribe the channel for more videos.